Hello, I am Abhyuday Pandey from FIITJEE Ranchi. I joined FIITJEE in class 9th for 4-year classroom program. FIITJEE provides excellent environment which is absolutely competitive. We can discuss our doubts and our faculty members are always available to clear our doubts and concepts. They are also very good at teaching concepts. Tests are held regularly in FIITJEE. Monthly tests, weekly tests, phase tests and All India test series give us a good estimate of our standing. The doubt clearing classes that are held after each AITS are very beneficial. Also, we are provided with test analysis and our marks distribution which helps us to work more on our weaknesses and realize our strengths. With this FIITJEE system and its support, I was able to clear National Talent Search Examination in class 10th, Kishore Vaigyanik Protsahan Yojana in class 11th, National Standard Examination for Astronomy in class 11 as well as class 12th, Indian National Astronomy Olympiad in class 11th as well as class 12th. I was also the state topper of National Standard Examination for Chemistry in 2016 and I qualified Indian National Chemistry Olympiad in 2017. I am extremely thankful to FIITJEE which was always there for my help. I could easily approach my teachers. My friends were always available. We could discuss doubts, group discussions and FIITJEE revision packages were very beneficial in the last moment for me. RTPF and GMP are undoubtedly the best material available in India. The questions require in-depth knowledge and a clear hold on concepts. I will advise my juniors to select an institute which has produced the best results in the past years, also which has the best environment and best faculty support. Undoubtedly, FIITJEE is far ahead of other institutions in this regard. So they must take a wise decision and join FIITJEE. JEE requires something other than just PCM knowledge. We need to handle stress and we should have a good speed so that we can solve the questions easily. Regular tests are very helpful in this regard. Also, we should devote some hours for extracurricular activities because they help us to reduce stress and handle it effectively. I owe my success to FIITJEE Ranchi and its faculty members who were always there to help me. Thank you, FIITJEE.